Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating a gingerbread look in honor of National Gingerbread House Day, and this is part of the Creative Collab group. It is a monthly collab group where we try to do interesting looks out of our comfort zone, and this month's participants are Afoma from Amofa.o, Amanda from Ayyyeeeitsamanda, Candace from Candace Hampton, Laura Ann from Foodmakeupskin, Lisa from the Curvy Cuban, Samantha from Samantha Slaughter, Sarah from the Daily Dose of Sarah O, and Tara from Tara_Beauty. So if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so to start off this gingerbread look, we are going to prime. I am going to use the color Pop Pretty Fresh for my face, and for eye primer I am using Morphe. So now we are moving on to concealer, and I am again using color Pop Pretty Fresh. Moving on to foundation, we are using Wonder Beauty. So we are moving on to eyebrows, and when I think of gingerbread, I always think cinnamon, even though it's kind of true, kind of not, but anyways. So I'm going to go into my main squeeze palette, and I am going to use probably this color here and this color here to do my eyebrows. So that is good enough for my brow. I am going to move on now to my eyes, and I think I'm going to stick with browns. I think I'm going to go with this palette right here. This is Fantasy by Yes Glitter, and it has a bunch of browns in here. So first thing I am going to do is I'm going to try to keep my eyelids basic because of the fact that I'm covering my face again with makeup. So okay, so what I am going to do is I'm going to start out with these two colors right here and go from there. Okay, so there's this white-ish color here called Blades, and then the next color here, Cheap Thrills. I'm going to use those two over top of it and kind of blend it out more. So now it looks brown, kind of frosty-y. That's what I want. I'm not going to do any more of the eyes right now because I want to move on to the face. So I am, of course, using stickers again. I found these cool little things. Well, they're not little, they're huge, and they're going on my face. And I don't know. We're just going to go with it. So I am going to lay down these on my cheeks, and we will move from there. So that is on. I think now I'm going to get some green pigment and go over top of it. Actually, I'm going to use my ColourPop palette, I think, just my luck. And I'm going to use, I think I'm going to go between these two colors right here. Yep. And then after that I might go over with something shiny. So I'm going to go ahead and use those two colors and go around the edges here on both stickers. Okay, so now that's on, I'm gonna do the shiny greens in here. This one here and this one here. Another green. I think I want to lighten it up a little bit. So I'm going to use, this isn't really a green, this is, let me see this. Yeah, this is what I want to use. This is called Edible Gold. It's kind of like a greenish gold color. See that? So I'm going to do that too, just so that there's a little bit more dimension in the color on my face. So these stickers are coming off now. Okay, so we've got the lovely gingerbread shape. Now it had, where did I put my stickers? Okay, so I had all the things you want to decorate your gingerbread man. So we're gonna put that on both sides, and then we're just gonna do that and then come back and do the next step. So we got that on. Now we're going to go over that with brown. We're going to, oops, wrong color. Okay, now that we got that on, we're going to go back over it with brown. And we are going to do these three browns like we did on the eyes, but only on this empty area. Okay, so now I'm going to dust back over it with this shiny light brown color because I want that frosting kind of glaze. Alright, so that's done. We are going to go ahead and take these stickers off. Okay, so I think I'm going to go back into this red palette here. And I think I'm going to feel like, no, let me think for a minute. I think I want the eyes to be, I think the eyes and the buttons will be yellow. Let's start with that. Eyes and the buttons will be yellow. Okay, so we are doing the lips now. So obviously I filled in the other parts red and my lips. It was fun. Okay, so we're moving on. I think I want to do glitter now. Yeah, let me look and see what I want to do. Okay, so I have red and I have green. I don't know that I'm going to be putting green, but I do have red. And I do have this yellow color, and I am for sure going to be putting that on, probably just accenting those areas. So glitter is on, and we're going to start the process of lining in black. I'm going to I'm going to use this pencil and start with my waterline and then outline the shapes. If the pencil doesn't work, I'll switch to paint. So let's just see how it goes. I feel like my eyebrows need some glitter, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Let's red glitter to the eyebrows. Yeah, I like that better. So now we're going to move on to mascara. I am using Marc Jacobs. Okay, so now we're going to add lashes, and what we are using today is Fabu Lashes by Cara Beauty. Alright, so this is the completed look. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts below. Also, don't forget to check out the other ladies' looks, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.